Two Arizona women, they're getting ready to head to Hawaii for a Mars simulation mission.
These missions are pretty rare, and this one's going to be historic because this is the first all-female group to head to this volcanic site. Brianna Whitney has their story.
2 weeks living in this dome, secluded on a volcano.
And that was specifically chosen because it's very Mars-like.
Sian, Proctor, and Aaron Bonilla are analog astronauts getting ready to embark on a high-seas simulator mission on a remote part of the Big Island of Hawaii to mimic being on Mars. So what are analog astronauts?
When you get something to work in that environment, it's perfect for Earth because it functions on nothing.
They basically are testing things for space here on Earth to see what works and what doesn't. The dome was originally funded by NASA, but now space companies from all over the world use it to test and research. This mission will focus on how the female body can adapt both psychologically and physically on Mars. And for Proctor, this is her second mission at this habitat.
It was 7 years ago, going from the very first crew, and now to be in a crew that's all female is really exciting.
And it's a rare opportunity they don't take for granted. Last time, Proctor studied how to make meals from sustainable foods and ingredients. This time, they'll also be studying lava tubes and other research experiments.
You're always immersed in a spacesuit, so when you go outside, you don't feel the wind on your face.
Proctor has also lived in a moon habitat in Poland and says with all their learning and discovering like this on Earth, it's just a matter of time before the red planet becomes reality.
If we can have the female walking on the moon within 5 years, then I think we have a realistic shot of putting a person on Mars within 10.
Brianna Whitney for Arizona's Family.
Isn't that awesome for them to be right there at the forefront of this research?
I've never been to the Big Island, but it seems pretty desolate, at least in parts, right?
That reminded me of Biosphere, too, out there, you know, kind of in the southern Arizona area.
Mini version of it. That's
Very
great.
impressive.
Hope to hear from them when they can come back.
For sure.
Okay, this is what celebrating Christmas up in space looks like.
How cute.
For astronauts aboard the International Space Station taking part in the holiday here, their Christmas dinner will include smoked salmon, fruitcake, and harvest hash. I looked that up.
Look at the head.
If it sticks straight up.